Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete or clear your search history on YouTube. So as you can see, if you open YouTube and if you tap this search icon, you can find the search history. As you can see, these are my search history, so it might be very annoying for someone. So let me show you how you can get rid of this search history. So as you can see, there is no option for you to delete this individually. So let me show you how you can delete this at once. So for that, you need to go to your icon on the right bottom corner, and from here, as you can see, it says history. You need to tap here view, and from here you will redirect it to this page, and from this page you can see these three dots. You need to tap here once, and from here, as you can see, it says clear all watch history. So if you want to clear only watch history and you don't care about search history, just tap here once. But if you want to clear search history, you need to tap this manage all history, and it will be redirected to your Google account which you are using your YouTube to login. So it might take some time. As you can see, now from this page you need to swipe down, and as you can see, it says delete. So from here you need to tap here once, and as you can see here, you can choose your custom range. So if you want a particular time to be deleted, so you can choose it, or if you want entire search history to be deleted, just tap here once, and wait a minute. And as you can see, it asking me for confirmation. So for now, you need to just tap the delete button, and it will be vanished from your account.